Good morning, students. Today we will solve a problem on Thevenin's theorem. Uh, the problem is as follows. Using the Thevenin's theorem, find the current through 100 ohm resistance connected across terminals A and B in the circuit of figure below. Now, the circuit is as follows. And now we have to find out the current through 100 ohm resistance which is connected across the terminals A and B. Now for finding the current, now first of all find E naught, and the circuit diagram for finding the E naught is as follows. It is voltage across terminals A and B with 100 ohm resistance removed. Now remove the 100 ohm resistance which is connected across the terminals A and B. Now E naught is equal to current through 8 ohm into 8 ohm. Current through 8 ohm will be equal to 2.5 ampere through 8 ohm. Then it will comes out to be 2.5 ampere. Current through 8 ohm is equal to 2.5 ampere. So E naught will be equal to 2.5 into 8 and this will be equal to 20 volt. So E naught is equals to 20 volt. Now second finding R naught. Now what is R naught? It is the resistance between terminals A and B with 100 ohm removed and voltage source short circuited as shown in figure 3. This is the figure 3 and we can see in this diagram that voltage source is short circuited and 100 ohm resistance is removed. So the R naught will be equal to resistance looking in at terminals A and B in figure 3. So we can see that 10 ohm and 20 ohm are in parallel combination. So we can find the R naught is equals to 10 into 20 divided by 10 plus 20 plus 12 into 8 divided by 10 into 20 divided by 10 plus 20 plus 12 plus 8. So this will be equal to 5.6 ohm. This will be equal to 5.6 ohm. And so Thevenin's equivalent circuit will be as shown in figure 4. Now current through 100 ohm resistance connected across terminals A and B can be found by applying Ohm's law. We know that from the Thevenin's theorem that E naught and R naught are connected in series and load resistance is connected across the terminals A and B. So this is the equivalent circuit for which is found by the by using the Thevenin's theorem. So we can see in this diagram, the circuit diagram, that 5.6 ohm and 100 ohm resistances are connected in series. So total resistance will be equal to R naught plus RL. So by using the Ohm's law, the current is equals to E naught upon R naught plus RL is equals to 20 divided by 5.6 plus 100 will be equal to 0.19 ampere. So current will be equal to 0.19 ampere.